Hi, I'm Dr. Ron Nussbaum, CEO of Back Clinics of Canada, and today we're going to speak about sciatica. Sciatica is a condition that affects millions of people worldwide. So let's understand first what sciatica is, and then we'll demonstrate a really helpful stretch that can actually reverse the effects of sciatica in many cases. This is a plastic copy of the spine. Now the spine is made up of all of these individual bones that we call vertebrae, and these pads that we call discs. Now, if you look at the back of the spine, there is this triangular bone, which is called the sacrum. Now, attaching from the inside of the sacrum, coming across to the side and attaching to a bump on the femur, that's the long bone of the leg, is a muscle called the piriformis, and that's a Latin word meaning pear-shaped muscle. Now, this muscle is so important because you see the sciatic nerves which come out of the spine either pass over top the piriformis, pass through the piriformis, or pass underneath the piriformis. And that makes the piriformis capable of actually irritating that nerve if the piriformis muscle should go into spasm. It's one of the causes of sciatica. So we're now going to demonstrate an excellent stretch that can really help reduce the tension of the piriformis muscle, and if that's the cause of your sciatica, it can actually help you. So you're going to try this stretch at home on a yoga mat, but before we do, I'd like to advise everyone out there who's watching, please double check with your spinal expert before you attempt any of these stretches, please. So we're going to have you get a yoga mat, and you can do that by going through Walmart. You can spend $10 or $15 to obtain one. We're going to demonstrate that on our special equipment over here, and Jessica's going to get into our starting position, as you will as well, on your hands and knees. Let's begin that right now. Okay, so for the first piriformis stretch, we're going to demonstrate this as if the sciatica is going down the left side, not the right side, but the left side. And how you'll begin is you'll take the good knee, and you're going to actually bring it over across behind the bad knee. And now you want to arch the lumbar spine down. Do that right now and lean into it with your head forward. And you're going to feel a really nice stretch in the buttocks at this point if you're doing it correctly. If not, you'll have to lean into it a little bit more. The goal would be to try and hold this stretch for up to 30 seconds, providing it's not causing pain. Of course, you'll discontinue should you feel any pain. You can feel a good stretch there? Yeah. Great. Let's get you back into the starting position. And now let's demonstrate this for everyone watching for what it would look like if you were doing the stretch for the right leg. Now you're going to take the left knee and bring it behind, and now bring your bad knee forward and stretch down. Arch your back and look nice ahead, and hold that for, again, up to 30 seconds. Can you feel that? Great. Let's get you can sit up now. And when you complete the stretch, I want you to move slowly back into a comfortable position. You probably want to try anywhere from 5 to 10 repetitions of this. And if you can do that without pain, even perhaps doing this again later in the day would be a great thing. For more information, please go to backclinicsofcanada.ca, and there'll be lots of information there that can help you. Thanks so much, and until next time, bye-bye.